What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another sneaker unboxing. This is the Air Jordan 13 Reverse He Got Games. Pretty incredible colorway for this shoe if you ask me. Let's open up the box here. Got the premium leather on these Jordan 13s. Quite incredible sneakers if you ask me. There is a StockX affiliate marketing link to get yourself a pair. The link's in the description. Definitely check it out because I think you can get this shoe for retail on StockX. Because these might actually fly far above retail in the next coming year or so. I will be throwing them on foot so you can see how they look in just a second. But the Air Jordan 13 is definitely quite a nice silhouette, and the premium leather on this shoe is quite nice, if you ask me. Let's see how they look on foot. Here we are, we finally have them on foot. And I gotta say they look incredible with some joggers. Definitely check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description to get yourself some joggers. I've never been a huge fan of Jordan 13s, but I gotta say that these are pretty nice. As sneakers go, they're quite a simple silhouette. And this is a great simple colorway as well, so I have no complaints about the shoe. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description to get yourself a nice pair of joggers or jeans to go with some fire kicks. Goodbye.